Good morning. Welcome. My name is Shawn Pigg. Today we're going to discuss the benefits of meditation. So, meditating, I didn't even know about it until my girlfriend told me about it, and about 2 years ago. And I sat down to meditate, and it was, first of all and foremost, my mind's running a million mile an hour. So, in order for me to lay down and shut my mind off is near to impossible. So, I practice it every single day religiously for nearly 2 years. Actually, it's been 2 years, and just the other day, for the first time, I actually had a mind of peace, a mind of tranquility. I entered a space where there's nothing in the world that affected me. I was calm, cool, collective. I was relaxed. I didn't have a thought in my mind, and it was the most achievable experience I've ever been through, and I love it. I want to do it again. That's why when you see people meditating, you see them always do it religiously. It's just like when you're working out. When you start working out, and you get bigger and bigger, and you miss the gym, it affects you because you missed the gym. Well, I'm mentally working myself out. I'm emotionally and mentally working myself out, and if I miss, then that affects me overall. Um, so when you start meditating, when I first started meditating, let's say I did a 10-minute meditation, well, my eye would be open like this within 5 minutes, seeing if the time is up. Like, because my mind was just going so fast. Like, I have so much to do. I need to do so much stuff. I can't lay here. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. And that's what basically it felt like. And then as you move on, so when you first start meditating, you're gonna have all these thoughts in your mind. It's everything's gonna come because your mind's trying to shut down. Now keep in mind, we process our brains 72,000 thoughts a day. A thought is like a cloud. Let it come and let it go. Just like fear is like a message. Let it come and let it go. It's something that you're not supposed to hold on to. You're the only one that can determine what fear, what emotion, or what thought that you want to hold on to. You're the one that controls your own body and your mind, your soul, your spirit. You control it. So by doing meditation, meditation gives you an opportunity to sit down and shut it off. Shut down, restart, reset, restart. Um, by doing meditation, cleans anxiety. It can clear. Matter of fact, I can look it up. I just did the other day. Give me 1 second here, real quick. I just want to let you know what I read on here. So, benefits of meditation: improves sleep, anxiety, helps addiction recovery, stress management, depression, helps control pain, hypertension, increases awareness. It also helps with pain, better mood, improves concentration, attention span, reduces pain, and helps control pain, emotional health, memory, increases energy, increases energy, being more intuitive, improves concentration, ease anxiety, reduce memory loss, enhances sleep quality, generates kindness, and increased productivity. So, as you can see, meditation is literally a reset button on you and for you. And ladies and gentlemen, with the world that we face today, the stress that we have coming in, the chaos that's in the world today, uh, meditation allows you to separate yourself from what's going on in the world. It gives you a break to sit down and self love yourself, understand yourself. My hair's looking weird today. Self love yourself, and shut it down and reset it. And I think it's imperative that you learn meditation. I do it consistently every single morning now. When I wake up, every morning I do a 10-minute meditation. There's different types of meditation out there. Matter of fact, let me Google that. See, what are the different types of meditation? So there's the meditation. I don't know this stuff by heart, but I'm a learner. There's mindfulness meditation, mantra meditation, transcendental meditation, focus meditation, spiritual meditation, guided meditation, walking meditation, loving kindness, chakra meditation, to clear your chakras, movement meditation, vipans, vipassana, I don't even know what that word is, progressive muscle relaxation, body scan meditation, yoga, meta meditation, breath meditation, sound, zazen meditation, QI gong, I don't know what that is either, breathing, focused, visualization, those are all the different types of meditation. So you can see that there's so many different forms of meditation to help you get through whatever experience you're going through, help you be able to reset, shut it down, and refocus. And what I do is what I've discovered is There's something that we're born with, and there's something. The first thing that we do when we're born is we breathe, and the last thing we do when we die is we breathe. But we do it every day, all day long. That's what we do. So you don't even think about it because you're doing it naturally, and there's no gratitude towards breathing because it's something you're subconsciously naturally doing. Well, you need to give gratitude for breathing. And you need to appreciate breathing. It's the most important part of you and who you are to live in this down here in this world. So when you're meditating, you want to focus on your breath. You want to fill yourself, filling your body up with, positive energy. And you want to exhale and get rid of all the negative energy and push it away from you because you ultimately own your energy, your force field, your magnetic force field, your energy, magnetic energy. You own this. So what you let in and penetrate you will ultimately affect your force field that you have around you. So push that negative energy out of you. Take deep breaths, bring in good energy, and push out bad. The more you do that, the more you're shutting everything down. I could just now feel that energy, that negative energy, any that's in me just leaving, and you can feel the positive energy when you come in. So, breathe in for 4 seconds, and breathe out for 8, and push it away. It works. It works. Meditation could truly improve your mindset and your quality of life, and it could improve your happiness. And it can also allow you to be able to start micromanaging anything that you're trying to do or that you have going on in your life. It's a world of tranquility. So I encourage you to try to meditate. If you have any questions on it, please ask. Please like, subscribe to my channels, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.